Welcome to our Educational Insights. Today, I have with me my colleague, Sonia McGettigan, and we are going to be talking about the enhancements that are coming to statements starting in October. So, of course, that will reflect September's activity. And we just want to go over a few things with you and tell you what's going to be changing. So some of those changes will include a more accurate asset allocation in terms of the pie chart that you will see. It will take your mutual funds and break it down on more of a equity level, any securities that are equities and or bonds, and more accurate depiction of that pie chart and your asset allocation altogether. In addition to that, there's going to be a cash transaction activity that will be much more enhanced and streamlined. That will include any inflows and outflows. That way you can see any securities that were purchased or sold in any of your accounts, any income, distributions, reinvestments, and all other things that happen inside that account on a month-to-month basis. And Sonia, I know you wanted to cover some of the topics about the frequency of the statements that you can have.
So currently we have statements that go out once a month, and you receive those about the first to second week of the month. But you do have the option of receiving your statements quarterly. That would indeed reduce your mail to your mailbox, but you also have the ability to go completely paperless. You can go onto your account view profile, and there you will be walked through a section, I believe it says Go Green. And if you don't know how to do that, we are happy to help. Due to compliance restrictions, we cannot do it for you, but we can certainly walk you through it and tell you where to go to navigate that.
Thank you, Sonia. And it's really important of what you just said, because that can reduce clutter in so many different ways, changing to quarterly, like you indicated, as well as going paperless inside account view. Also, on your statement, you will notice a QR code. This is brand new and will actually land you on a personal statement site. The first time it's used, you will get a one-time passcode that you can get either text to your phone number on file, or you can also pick a landline where it will call you and give you that one-time passcode. It's important to keep in mind that passcode will only last 3 minutes, but it will give you access to be able to look at additional details such as cost basis of any accounts that you may have, trade confirmations, different documents, and most importantly, a downloadable PDF version of your statement, whether that's monthly and or quarterly. So I hope we covered enough today in going over these new statements that we're excited about releasing next month that LPL is bringing to the table. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to call either myself or Sonia or anybody else in our office, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for joining us today, and have a good day.